Today we're going to learn how to embroider an 8-pointed star. You'll start by making a stitch for opposite ends. Then we'll make another satin stitch that crosses over the center line and starts at the top or at the tips. Whatever side you go up through, you will go down through the opposite side. As you can see, I'm bringing my needle up through the same side that I put it down, but later I'll show you what it looks like when you loop it around and come up on the opposite side. Here I'll show you how to loop it through, still going on opposite sides. You'll bring your needle up through the first side where you started the center stitch, and then you'll cross over that stitch and put it down into the other side, following the lines of the star towards the center. You'll just repeat this process for each point of the star.